Good evening. My name is Magdalene Obo. Um this is a visual assistant presentation from Jamotech on the project Hire a Techie. So to the next slide. The next slide talks about the team members and their role. This picture depicts the working unity of ants and its remarkable demonstration of social organization and cooperation. So for that, I use that to illustrate how the team members work together to bring to success of Hire a Techie. For the product manager, they work on documentation of the JAMO product. They are also involved in user research to ensure that the product they are working on is what the end users need. And then for the product designer, they create simple and entity design. They review designs and they also create design for the community platform. They're also involved in user research processes. And then for the data analysts, they analyze the data to make us understand consumer pain points and of which there are features that which should be prioritized based on their analysis. The next slide, please. So this is the overview of Hire a Techie. This is the overview of Hire a Techie, which is a technology designed to simplify the hiring process of tech companies and job seekers. The next slide. So for the goals and objective of Hire a Techie is to streamline the recruitment process. This to make the recruitment process more efficient and less time consuming. Another goal and objective of Hire a Techie is to improve candidates company matches. This to ensure that candidates are matched with companies that align with their skills, interests, and career goals. And the last is provide comprehensive company profile. The next slide. So for the tools we use for the tools as me being the virtual assistant and Jamotech we use for this internship, we use Jira, which is for management, project management software, and to support track project milestones. We use a Slack for communication operations, and then we use Google Meet for our visual meetings. We use a calendar for scheduling meetings. Next slide. So what are the things Hire a Techie offers? Hire a Techie offers great job postings that match specific technical skills, implement tools to quickly find and connect with the best candidates, and get personalized job recommendation based on their abilities. There are problems faced in Hire a Techie, which are difficulty finding qualified tech talent. This has to do with finding qualified tech savvy who can be fitting to this project. And then the other one is inefficient candidate fitting and matching. The next slide. So as a visual assistant, this is my contribution to Jamoti in Hire a Techie. My contribution is administrative duties. And I support the team workflow through administrative responsibilities by handling scheduling of meetings, create meetings agenda, and maintaining meeting records. Another way I contribute to this project is communication coordination, which is sending reminders, summarizing, and submit meeting updates, and bringing any gap between team members. And then another work I also contributed was task management. The next slide. So far with higher Eteki for their progress and milestone, the project is currently ongoing and they are at the level of data analysis and documentation. So for the lessons so far that I've learned from that I've gotten so far with Jamoti in higher Eteki overall, during my internship or still in this ongoing internship rather at Jamo Technology, it has actually equipped me with a strong foundation in the skill necessary to be an effective visual assistant. I've also developed a heightened ability to work autonomously while supporting a team. Yeah, these are the lessons I've gathered so far with working with Jamo Tech in higher tech projects. Next slide. So here I'm saying thank you to Jamo Tech for the opportunity to work and collaborate with other team members. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Glory. Thank you very much, Magdalene. You have a wonderful presentation. No, no, don't close your slides yet. Quickly, let me call Chioma to the table. Chioma, are you with us?
Yes, I am. Can you go to your first slide, please? Okay, this is your German Tech logo that you used there. I just thought that maybe that look for something more appropriate. Since you're a visual assistant presentation, look for maybe an image of a visual assistant. That would have made it look more professional. And this one looks somehow. I know it's our logo, quite all right. But there would have been another better way in which would have included the logo into your design from just using as a main image. Just look of maybe virtual assistant, maybe a lady smiling or working on a laptop or something like that. Than using this. Then let me see your subsequent slides. Okay, then another thing, I don't know your the color code for the thing for higher intake. What's your brand color for higher intake? Are you aware of your brand color?
I'm aware of Jamo brand color, which is white and blue.
It's only white and blue.
White
White
and blue
and
and
no, 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 no. Blue is not in our color.
Are you presenting for Jamotech or for higher intake?
higher Iteki in Jamoti.
And it's not Jamotech, it's Jamotech or Jamot Technology.
Okay.
It is as in Jamotech, as in that's the main company, but how you supposed to use the color thing for higher tech for your presentation.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all I have to say for now.
Thank you very much, Chioma. Jamotsi is actually like a, how will I say it? The short form of Jamo technology. Jamo technology. That is 6 syllable word. Jamotsi, that is 3. It's less stressful. So for in-house purpose, you can use Jamotsi. But when you are actually speaking to other people outside Jamotech, you use the full name, Jamo Technology.
Okay,
Well
ma'am.
done, Magdalene. David, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm with you. Once again, good evening, Magdalene. Good evening, our presenter, Gloria. You guys, one thing I was kind of interested in is I want to understand the collaboration you guys can bring together in this presentation. But to a certain extent, I think the collaboration was collaborating to a certain extent, but and I believe you guys will do better in a more professional presentation. Why don't you guys? Now, the good about it is, if I was a layman listening to your presentation, I think I'm going to understand your presentation very well, like as a layman. So I think I have to give you kudos to that. But at the end of it, towards the end of your presentation, you made a statement. And me, I'm an engineering somebody. I don't really understand English. But to my little understanding, maybe you are going to please buttress my understanding on that. Please remind me that ambiguous word you use towards the end.
Um, which part, please?
Towards the end, you can go to the almost second to the last slide. You said you harmoniously. Do you remember this? The word you use?
I know I use so many words, but I don't really know the exact one you are talking
Like
about.
before you supported the team. Okay, is
Okay,
autonomously support the
okay,
team. So sorry, that statement looks too ambiguous for me. Can you break it down for me and probably explain it in that context as it's being used? I believe you are trying to explain your role in the team play. So can you please break it down for me and explain it in the context you used it?
okay. What I mean there was, um so far working with Jamotech in higher tech, I've learned to work as a person without supervision, without um internal control on telling me what to do. That's what I mean being autonomous.
All right, that's very
That is
wonderful. I
working
believe
that is working remotely, being able to work remotely without being told what to do at the right time.
all right. Kudos to you for that. For that point. That's very good. I think that's something interns will benefit more from Jamo technology. Why don't you? So where is as a virtual assistant? Where is the project currently? Which stage are you guys on?
We are on the stage of data analysis and documentation.
On the AI tech team.
Yes,
Wow. Okay. Yeah, why don't you guys? Bye.
thank you.
Thank you very much, David. Adeni, are you with us? Adeni, okay, it's like Adeni is not with us. Um, and Blessing is still on the road. So let me just okay, Tosin, are you with us?
Yeah. So thanks for that presentation, Magdalene. It's just one comment I have. It's not just a minor one. Can you go back to the slide, the third slide, your third slide? This one. Go back. Yeah, it's not a problem, but can you go back to the other slide? Yeah, this one. So I don't know how this slide fits the context. This is not just a slight comment. I don't want to sound critical, but this lady presenting the paper in a conference. It doesn't really fit into the context of what you get what I mean. So another slide will have been more appropriate. Another picture will have been more appropriate in this context. So that's just my minimal little.
Thank you very much, Tosin. Glory Magdalene, did you get that?
Yes, ma.
Okay, now
We got it.
to me, he did a wonderful job. I love that. But I noticed that during your presentation, you were reading what was on the presentation slide, which is a
No, I only took from the headings, but I had to highlight them. I just took the headings from the presentation and then highlighted on them.
go to slide to just scroll through the slides. Stop here. No, the last slide. When we got to this particular slide, we did not really explain what was on this particular slide. What he did for us was to read through in an explanatory way. I don't know how to say it on that. Get personalized job recommendation based on your abilities. I just read what is on this slide, explaining it at the same time. I don't know if you get what I'm saying,
Yes, ma'am.
but this was a slide when I noticed that you actually read. Especially when it came to this problem statement. Maybe Shane, you don't need to read through your slide. You already seeing what is on your slide. So it was not everywhere though, just this particular one and some few places. Um and other places too. Okay, you did a great job. And next time, if you want to put logos on presentation slides, it doesn't need to be big. That's why it's a logo. Logo is just one small corner of one small place. So you can just reduce the next time, reduce the
Who is good evening, everyone. Sorry, I don't know what came over this night, so my network has been unstable. I'm so sorry about that. Can you all hear me? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, once again. I am Vivian Chukwu from Imedat. We are presenting on a project called Imedat. Sorry, please, Miriam, go to the other slide. Move to the other slide, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is our team members from our project director, Dr. Oluwatosin, and the other people here. Please move on. This is project overview, and we are working on email that, as I said before, and the acronym is just emergency medical attention. And it's an online telemedicine platform where everyone can access affordable health care. Please move on. Okay, under the overview, we have mission and the vision statements. The mission statement is they bridge the gap of healthcare for underdeserved communities. And who are these underdeserved communities? These are people that these are people that don't have the essentials or these necessary essentials like um healthcare in their community, or that it is not within their reach, both WhatsApp. So this is the mission, and the vision is to provide a quality healthcare for everyone in Nigeria. Please move on. And in the website designing, we have the key features.